Today we are going to learn about prime number. Prime number. What do you mean by prime number? A number greater than 1 which has no factors other than 1 and the number itself. Okay, now how we will understand with the example? Okay, now here if I am going to take 2, 2 has only one factor. 2 is coming in one table and it has 2 is coming in 2 itself. It is not coming in any other table. So 2 is the prime number. 3 is coming in one table. 3 is coming in itself table. 3 is not coming any other table. So 3 is also a prime number. Now we will take 5. 5 is coming in one table, 5 is coming itself table, so it has two factors. So what do you mean by prime number? Now understand children, prime number means it is coming in one table as well as itself table. The number it is not coming any other table, we say it is prime number. Again we can take 7. It is coming in one table, 7 is coming in itself table. It is not coming in any other table, so 7 is also a prime number. Now we will take 11. 11, this table is coming in one table and 11 is coming in itself. Again it has only two factors. Okay, so that means 11 is a prime number. Now it is 13. 13 is coming in one table, 13 is coming in itself table, it is not coming any other table, so we say it is prime number. 19 is coming in one table, 19 is coming itself table and 19 is not there in any other table, so we say it is prime number. 23 is coming in one table, 23 is coming in 23 itself. It is not coming any other table, so it is prime number. So children, we have done lot of examples here. So what do you mean by prime number? Prime number, it means it has no factors other than 1 and the number itself. It has no factors other than 1 and the number itself, we say it is a prime number. In the prime number, only the 2 is the prime number, which is even prime number. Okay, 2 is the even prime number. All the numbers are odd. So 2 is the only 2 number is the even prime number and others are all odd. So this we say it is a prime number. Thank you.